Hello everyone. Today I will show you how do you find cube of numbers. First of all, the term cube means if the number is multiplied by itself 3 times, the product is called the cube of the number. For example, you see here it says x cube. X cube means x is multiplied 3 times, x times x times x, and whatever the product you get after multiplying 3 times, that product is called the cube of the number. Let us take an example. Find the cube of 12. So we can write like this: 12 cube, it means 12 times 12 times 12. So you have to multiply 12 3 times. That is, you find the cube of number 12. So if you multiply 12 3 times, like first you do 12 times 12, whatever product you get, again that product is multiplied by 12. It's going to take long time. But here in Vedic math, there is a very simple method to cube the number 12. So the first step what you do is, you have to keep the thing in mind is move from left to right with the ratio of b by a. So here b is 2 and a is 1. Alright, so you have to move from left to right with the ratio of b by a. So we just write here 1, 2, 3, 4 steps we do here. In the first step, right, the first step what you do, you just cube a digit. So here a is 1. So just cube 1 and write down here, you get 1. Second, what do you do in the second step? 1 times b by a. So here you get 1. So that 1 is multiplied here in the second step. 1 times b by a. So b is here 2 and a is here 1. So 1 times 2 by 1 is 2. So write 2 here at the second step. Third step, what you do? You do 2 times. So here in the second step you got 2. So in the third step you do 2 times b by a. So 2 times b is 2 and a is 1. If you do 2 times 2 by 1, you get 4. Next step, what you do here is you do 4 times b by a. So here third step you got 4, and here in the fourth step you do 4 times b by a. 4 times 2 by 1. What you get? You get 8. Alright. So after doing this four steps starting from the left, what you do next is you double the numbers of step 2 and 3. Right. So here in step 2 we have 2. We double, we get 4. And then in step 3 we have 4. You double 4, you get 8. So the final cube or the final answer is obtained by adding the numbers of both rows. So this is your first row, this is your second row. So add the numbers together. So here 8, you write, when you add, there's nothing here, so you just write 8 here. 8 plus 4 is 12, 4 plus 2 is 6, and then 1. Now in the answer box here, this 8 will come here, and the second here is 12, but 12 is a 2-digit number. So from 12 only 2 drops in the, you drop 2 in the answer box, and 1 is carried forward to the next number here, 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 comes here in the answer box, and then last number 1 is left. So 1 also comes here in the answer box. So the cube of 12 is 1728. And there is another way if you don't want to carry forward the numbers, right? So here I have made a small box and I have shown here, if you don't want to carry forward the numbers, there is another way you can do is you do 1 times 1000, 6 times 100, 12 times 10, 8 times 1. And then you add up all the numbers. Then also you will get 1728 as a cube of number 12. Find the cube of 18. It means 18 times 18 times 18. Alright. So what you do, move from left to right with the ratio of B by A. Here B is your 8 and A is 1. So start from left. Cube a digit. So A here is 1. So cube digit A. So when you cube 1, you just get 1. Alright. Then second step, what you do 1 times B by A. B by A is 8 over 1. 8 by 1. So 1 times 8 by 1, you get 8. Third step, what you do 8 times. 8 times B by A. So B by A is again 8 by 1. So 8 times 8 by 8 times 8 by 1 is 64. So fourth step, what you do, what you get here 64, right? 64 times B by A. So 64 times 8 by 1, you get 512. So that's your first row, and you just write what you get numbers from 1 to 4 here. Alright, the second step is you just double the numbers of step 2 and 3. So you double 8, you get 16. And you double 64, you get 128. And the final cube or the answer is obtained by adding the numbers of both the rows here. So 512 comes here. 64 plus 128 is 192. And 8 plus 16 is 24. And then 1. And then your final answer box, what you do, you just drop here from 512, you just drop the unit digit 2 here in the answer box. 51 is carried forward to the next number, that is 192. So 192 plus 51 is 243. Again here there is a 3-digit number. So what you do, you just drop the unit digit 3 here, and 24 is carried forward to the next number. Next number here is 24. So 24 plus 24 is 48. Again in 48 you drop the unit digit 8 here in the answer box, and 4 is carried forward to the next number, that is 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Write 5 in the answer box. There is another way, if you don't want to carry forward the numbers, so you can do like this, like 1 times 1000 is 1000. 24 times 100 is 2400. 192 times 10 is 1920, and 512 times 1 is 512. You add up all those numbers, then also you will get the same answer, 5832. So cube of 18 is 5832. Find the cube of 52. So it means you have to multiply 52 3 times, right? So very simple way, what you do, you move from left to right with the ratio of B by A. So the first step you do, you just cube the number at the tens place. Here tens place is 5, or you cube the digit 5, and when you cube digit 5 you get 125. Second step, what you do, you do 125 times B by A. So 125 times B here is 2. 2 by 5 you get 50. Alright. So in second step you get 50 here. What you do at the third step is you do 50 times B by A. So 50 times 2 by 5 you get 20. So write 20 at step 3. Last fourth step, what you do here, you do 20 times B by A. 20 times 2 by 5 you get 8, right? So your first row is all done. So what do you do? The next step, you double the numbers at the step 2 and 3. So in step 2 you have 50, you double, you get 100. In step 3 you have 20, double, you get 40. Alright. Then what you do here is the final cube or answer is obtained by adding these two rows, right? So add from the right, right? So here you just have 8, drop 8 in the answer box. Next is 60. Again in 60 there are 2 digits, so you just drop unit digit 0 in the answer box, and 6 is carried forward to the next number 150. 150 plus 6 is 156. In 156, just drop the unit digit 6 in the answer box. 15 is carried forward to the next number 125. 125 plus 15 is 140, and then just write down 140 here in the answer box. So the cube of 52 is 140608. And there is another method also if you don't want to carry forward the numbers. So what you do simply here is 125 times 1000, 150 times 100, 60 times 10, 8 times 1. Add up all the products and again you get the same answers, 140608. Find the cube of 23. Move from left to right with the ratio of B by A. B here is 3 and A is 2. So the first step, start from left. Cube A digit. A is 2. If you cube 2, you get 8. So write down 8 here. Next, second step, what you do? You do 8 times B by A. So B here is 3, A is 2. So 8 times 3 by 2 is 12. Write 12 at the second step. Third step, you do 12 times B by A. B is 3, 3 by 2. So 12 times 3 by 2 is 18. So write 18 at the step 3. Step 4, you do 18 times B by A. 18 times 3 by 2, you get 27. So write 27 at step 4. Next step, you simply double the numbers at step 2 and 3. So double 12, you get 24. If you double 18, you get 36. So final cube or answer is obtained by adding the numbers of both the rows. Add from right, dropping unit digit in the answer box. So here it is 27. So in 27, drop unit digit 7 in the answer box. 2 is carried forward to the next number 54. 54 plus 2 is 56. Again drop 6 in the answer box. Carry forward the number 5 to the next number, here is 36. So 36 plus 5 is 41. In 41, drop 1 in the answer box. 4 is carried forward to the next number 8. So 8 plus 4 is 12. Write 12 here in the answer box. And if you don't want to carry forward, what you do simply is you multiply 8 with 1000. 8 times 1000, 36 times 100, 54 times 10 and 27 times 1. So whatever product you get, you just add up together and again you will get the same answers, 12167. So the cube of 23 is 12167. There is another method for finding the cube of a number and we just say this method 2. So what you do here is you make 4 columns like 1, 2, 3, 4 columns here, and then in the first column you write here A cube, in the last column you write B cube. A here is 1 and your B here is 2. So we are finding the cube of 12. So first column you do A cube, last column you do B cube. So start from right, you cube the B here. B here is 2. So when you cube 2, you get 8. So write down 8 here. Then you cube A. A is 1. So 1 cube is 1. So in the next column is A into B square. A is 1. So 1 into 2 square, you get 4. In this column you do a square b. So a here is 1 and b here is 2. So a square is 1 square times b is 2. You get 2. So this is your first row. Then the same what you do next step is you double the numbers at second and third step, right? So the middle numbers, basically you middle numbers you double. So here middle numbers are 2, you double, you get 4, you double 4, you get 8. And then final cube or the answer is obtained by adding the numbers from the right hand side. So just write down 8. 8 is a single, there is no digit number, so just single number 8 you drop here in the answer box. Next is 12. In 12 you drop the unit digit 2 here in the answer box. 1 is carried forward to the next number, that is 6. 6 plus 1 7, drop 7 in the answer box, and last number is 1. Just bring 1 here in the answer box. And again, if you do not want to carry forward the numbers, you simply do 1 times 1000, 6 times 100, 12 times 10, 8 times 1, add up all the products and you get 1728. So this is the another method, method 2, to find the cube of the number 12. So let us see with the method 2 how do we find the cube of number 52. So the first step is you make 4 columns, right? To the right the right extreme column you do b cube, and to the left extreme column you do a cube. So b cube, b is here 2 and a is here 5. So b cube, you cube 2, you write 8 here. In the last column, the left column is a cube, a is 5. If you do 5 cube, you get 125. And the next column what you do here is ab square. So a times b square, a is here 5 and b is here 2. So 5 times 2 square, you get 20. And in the next you do a square b. So a is here 5 and b is here 2. So 5 square times 2, you get 50. So this is your first row. Second step, second row, what you do is you simply double the numbers in the middle column here. So the middle numbers are 50 and 20. So double 50 you get 100, double 20 you get 40. And then the final answer, final cube you get is by adding these 2 rows. So 8 comes here in the answer box. 20 plus 40 is 60. In 60, 0 is 0 you drop in the answer box. 6 is carried forward to the next number 150. Because 50 plus 100 is 150. So 150 plus 6, that carry forward number, you get 156. So in 156, you drop 6 in the answer box. 15 is carried forward to the next number 125 and you get 140. So just simply drop 140 in the answer box. So the cube of 52 is 140608. And here again I have shown another way. If you do not want to carry forward the numbers, simply here you do 125 times 1000, 150 times 100, 60 times 10, 8 times 1, add up the products and again you get the same answer, 140608. So this is the another way to find the cube of number 52. So now let us see how we find the cube of number 23 with the second method. So in second method you make 4 columns and to the right you do b cube, to the extreme left you do a cube, and then you do a square b and ab square. So b cube is, b is here 3, so 3 cube is 27, and a cube, a is here 2, so 2 cube is 8. And then here you do a square b and ab square. So you get 12 here and 18. Next step, you double the numbers of the middle numbers. So middle numbers are 12 and 18. So you double the number 12, you get 24, and 18, when you double you get 36. then you add up both this numbers of column. So 27 comes here, 18 plus 36 is 54, 12 plus 24 is 36, and then 8 comes here, right? Then in your final answer box, from 27, drop 7 in the answer box, 2 is carried forward to the next number 54, 54 plus 2 is 56, again in 56, drop 6 in the answer box, and 5 is carried forward to the next number 36, 36 plus 5 is 41, and in 41, 1 you drop in the answer box, and 4 is carried forward to the next number 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, simply drop 12 in the answer box. And if you do not want to carry forward the numbers, you simply do 8 times 1000, 8000, 36 times 100, 54 times 10, 27 times 1, add up all the products, you will get the same answer, 12167. So the cube of 23 is 12167. So practice those 8 problems and check your answers in the next slide. And here are your answers. Thank you.